Hey, it's Scott Isaacson, Marine Max Sail and Ski here at our Lakeway location. Right now we're on a Harris float boat. It's a tri-toon 240 Solstice with a 225 horsepower Mercury outboard 4-stroke, and we'll take a look at some of the great features that this boat has to offer. So the first thing we see here is the lighting package. So we'll have the cup holders, and these all can change colors. So a ton of storage. We have some things in, got the poles that will prop up the cover, and then you see a table in there as well. A lot of space. This is what's called a center walk-through dual helm. Two nice big loungers. And then two helm seats that are parallel. And then we move to the helm station. We've got our GL audio, Simrad screen, nice easy to read gauges, their digital readings as well. So with the 225, we'll have a digital throttle, makes it easy for shifting. And then one thing that this boat has is the double Biminis. So that's in the stored position up front, and also in back. And then would look similar to what we have down on our cruiser model, where they zip together. So you can have this as like a rear facing lounger, or there's plenty of room for two adults to sit side by side on both sides. Armrest in the front and the back loungers. And a nice long ladder, easy for people of all ages to get in and out of the boat. We have our tow point there. A lot of room throughout. You see the extension cord, so that's going to our battery maintainer. They're utilizing all the space by having your changing area tucked there. So that'll pop up like so. Nice and tall, about 6 feet tall there. Just the attention to detail on the vinyl. Again, everything is going to be hinged. Also guttered, so you don't have anything getting into your storage. This will also pop up. length of the gate. Stop there, so that can hold about 400 pounds of force. So we're not worried about people leaning up against that front gate. So again, it's the Harris 240 Solstice, center walkthrough, dual helm with a 225 horse motor, DTS, digital trim and shift. It's an awesome boat, looks great on the water. Again, the Harris 240 Solstice, center walkthrough, dual helm. It's a tri-toon with the Performance Plus package. Gives you the in-floor storage, nice tall rails and fencing. Well, thanks for watching this video. Again, my name is Scott Isaacson with Marine Max Sail and Ski out here in Lakeway. We also have two other locations, one in Austin off Highway 183 and one down in San Antonio. If you're interested in this boat or any other boats, feel free to give me a call at 219-2712. Again, that's 512-219-2712. Thanks again.